For those of you new to the channel, my name is Jeremy Bird and this is my son Sebastian. Can you say hi?
Hi.
So it's Valentine's Day and today we decided we were going to make pancakes and waffles for a family treat. But we want to show you there's healthier alternatives than just the regular pancakes. So to start, we've gone gluten-free and dairy-free. This is a wonderful product that you can get from Superstore. If you want it in a bigger, this is already just ready to go pre-packaged, just follow the ingredients at the back or the instructions. If you want a little bit more, you can go with the all-purpose. You can get, there's a bunch of different brands, but of course just Google a really good pancake or waffle mix and follow the instructions there. But for our purposes, we went this route. So we kept this dairy-free and allergy-free. So for those who can't have eggs, there's this wonderful product and it's called an egg replacer. Just 1 teaspoon of the product to 2 teaspoons of water, and then you throw it in the mix. That replaces 1 egg. So another couple other things that we have going here. We also add potato starch to ours. It's a wonderful thickening agent, but it's also a modified, or what they call a resistant starch. So that's great for mood regulation, and it's great for feeding the bacteria in your colon. It helps fight cancer in the colon if it's there. So it works on balancing your blood sugar essentially, but we use it in gravies and soups and all sorts of stuff. Again, a gluten-free option, and for those who have problems with corn, potato starch is a much better option. And then we also have added chia seeds to ours. Now the wonderful thing about chia seeds is they have, 5 times more calcium than milk, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 3 times more iron than spinach, twice the potassium as 1 banana, and 8 times the omega-3 than a salmon. So this is pretty amazing stuff. It helps give you energy and stamina, it strengthens the immune system. Let's see what else here. Cleanses the colon, promotes good sleep, helps digestion, joint pain, all sorts of stuff. So you can put it raw on your foods, or there was another product that came out a few years ago called, pardon my language, Holy Crap. It was on Dragon's Den, and what they did is they add chia seeds to cereal, and you just let it sit in the milk, soy milk or whatever, for a few minutes before you eat your cereal, and it's a wonderful addition to that. And then also, we've also added cinnamon. Now cinnamon has a lot of great properties as well. It also helps control the blood sugar. So the chia seeds, the potato starch, and the cinnamon specifically are to help you from getting that carb crash, because there is a lot of carbs in here, whether you go the old-fashioned route, which isn't as healthy, or you go this route. So this is a little bit, these blends here, let's get into this. You know, it is still starch, tapioca starch, modified potato starch, corn flour, so it is still starch based, so you can't have that starch crash. So protein, blood sugar balancer, another blood sugar balancer, and with cinnamon, so cinnamon actually helps with a lot of different stuff as well, as I mentioned earlier. So blood sugar control, helps to fight yeast infections, eases stomach flus, it can prevent cancer, antibacterial. They actually use it as a natural food preservative. Helps with weight loss. It has antioxidant properties, lowers cholesterol. Antiviral, that's right, thank you Trish. It's high in nutrients. They use it actually as an insect repellent too. So, you know, all sorts of wonderful stuff.
Teething?
Yeah, and for teething, yeah, we used cinnamon sticks for him when he was teething as a better alternative to, you know, chewing on plastic and all that sort of stuff. And it's also anti-inflammatory, right? So
Antiviral.
Antiviral, yeah.
And omega-3 in the chia seeds.
Oh yes, we forgot to mention that. Yep. So, oh no, we said that. The omega-3 is more than in a salmon. Okay. So, and then, so in these recipes, it always asks for oil. So we use grapeseed oil.
It has high smoke point.
Yeah, it's got a higher smoke point. It isn't processed like canola oil or olive oil or any of those other ones. You really have to watch for that. And the nice thing we like about this product from President's Choice is it also comes in glass. So there's going to be no transfer of the chemicals in the plastic transferred into your oil.
Chemical estrogen.
Yeah, there's chemical estrogens which in high amounts aren't good for men or women, boys or girls. So glass, higher smoking point, better for you, great option. So, and then what we've also done is we added blueberries, just frozen blueberries from Costco, and yeah, or the organic, wonderful big bag for a fair price, and it just keeps in your freezer for a long time. And then my mother-in-law, bless her soul, she brought me Saskatoons from Manitoba, and I've been milking them since July. So
Rationing.
yeah, I've been rationing them very well. So, and then from there, it's just very simple, you know, pancakes, waffles. We have this neat little donut waffle maker, and then you can do fun stuff. You can put them on the stick for kids.
Is that tasty?
Good stuff.
Let's see the other ones.
And then, oh yes, so our little machine we got off a marketplace makes this. Beauty in imperfection. We put a little bit too much in there, but they're still very tasty. So, yeah, so that's about that. I don't think I've forgotten anything. You know, we try to make it fun. We try to give healthier alternatives to what's normally used. Oh, the one thing I forgot to mention is we used soy milk in ours. So again, dairy-free, gluten-free, egg-free, and sugar-free.
Well, you can also use oat milk, cashew milk.
Yeah,
almond
any of
milk.
those types of milks. Oat milk, cashew milk, almond milk. There's a new one out now, macadamia milk. You know, they all work identical, right?
Except
So, anyways, I think that's about it.
And
Enjoy. They're very tasty.
wait, and also you don't have blueberries, you can put other kinds of fruit.
like
in.
what?
Like banana
Very good.
and
Okay.
also mangoes.
Oh, that's a good idea. We'll have to try that one.
And then because the fruit, so you don't need to put syrup on them because it tastes sweet already, right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you. Enjoy.